It's your girl Kizzy. I got y'all a shower head. I'm going to show you the packaging in a minute. But first I'm going to show you how it works in my shower. Ow. Oh, Lord.
Oh, come on. That was funny. Keep it.
That hurt.
It's okay.
I nailed myself in the nose, y'all. Okay, anyway, back to the subject. The shower head. The setting compartment comes with it. So, easy on, easy off. Got your off button, got your on button. So, it's on right now. Off. One of my favorites. On. Setting 1. Setting 2 is more of a mist. Bigger mist. It's cold. Another setting of a mist. I turn it off. No. Then off. I mean, it's sticky.
It works really good.
It's cold
for real.
with the mist.
I love it.
But this one is my personal favorite right here. It like hits every part of your whatevers. But right off, nothing to it. It is purty. It's purty. You just turn it off. Easy. And it goes right back on. Easy. Nothing to it. Comes in a packaging like this. You also have another shower head like it, and I'll have that one in another video. But I'm going to leave this down in the link. Y'all shower like me with a shower head and tell me your experience. Mwah! Love you. You know where to find it because you know where you found it. You know where I'm at.